everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kani Zousui. Kani means crab. Zousui is Japanese style porridge or risotto. So Kani Zousui is Japanese crab risotto. Let's get started. These are what you need. Crab, any type of crab will do, or you can even use canned crab meat. 400 milliliter dashi Japanese soup stock, cooked rice, about 2 rice bowls of cooked rice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 2 eggs, some spring onion or green onion to garnish. Let's take out meat from this crab first. So snap off the legs. Remove this triangle shaped part, apron. Put it down. Throw it away. Remove this body part from this shell. And these are not edible, so pull it off. On the other side too. And break it into 2. Using this kind of little fork or a seafood fork, take out all the meat in here. Nothing left in the shell. Let's do the other one. Okay, meat all removed from the body part of the crab. Then legs. Cut it in 2 long way. Open it and take out the meat inside. Crab meat is finally ready. Put 400 milliliter of Japanese dashi soup stock in a pot. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, rice. There are 2 types of zousui. One is thick and creamy, just like risotto. And the other one is more lighter, more like a rice soup. To make the rice soup type, you rinse the rice under running water to wash off all the stickiness from the rice. Today I'm making the risotto type, thick creamy type. So let's add the rice into the broth without rinsing it. Crab meat in. It's watery and soupy at the beginning. Turn the heat on and cook it until rice soaks up some broth and the texture becomes thicker. Now it's been cooked for about 5 minutes and you can see rice soaked up the broth and the texture is a little bit thicker. Let's add the eggs. Beat the eggs, then just pour it in. Just keep cooking until the eggs are cooked. When eggs are cooked, the texture is much thicker, just like risotto. Turn the heat off and serve. Sprinkle some green onion to garnish. And the Kani Zousui is good to go. That's all for today. Preparing crab meat is a bit of work, but it's definitely worth doing. I hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious Kani Zousui. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!